I picked up the egg carton after I saw this tip. To begin with, we'll need an egg carton. We're going to make a mark on the carton and we're going to cut in the same places we marked. You can use a stylus like I'm using or scissors. Cut it until it's in this shape. After that, we'll take a piece of box. It has to be the same size as this egg carton, and we'll glue one on each side of the box. Do as I'm doing here. Put these pieces of box around the whole box, leaving only the space where you put the eggs. That's where you don't want to put the box, okay? Next, see how it looks. Now let's get some white spray paint and paint this box. You don't have to be careful about painting anything. But the idea is to paint just the place for the eggs. Okay. Now let's get a cloth with some designs on it. You can get any you have at home. It's up to your taste. You're going to cover all sides with this cloth. Do this using hot glue. It's super easy and simple to do. This tip will amaze you, and you'll thank me forever. Here's what it looks like after you've put the cloth on. Now we're going to need a piece of jute, and we're going to glue it to this side of the box. This is just a decoration. If you don't like it, you don't have to put it on. Finally, I made this handle to hold this box. I used a wire and stationary pearls to do this. It's super simple, if you like. I can teach you in an upcoming video. Just stick one on each side. Finally, we'll glue a jute thread bow, which will add a lovely touch to our tip. And look how it turned out. Now just put the eggs in here. We've just made an egg basket, an egg holder, which will look beautiful in your home. Now you can store the eggs just here in this basket. I'm sure you'll love this tip. It will be very useful for you and your life. I hope you enjoyed it. Take care. See you next time and bye.